Assalamualaikum and good morning to all 3B students. So today is our 9th class, okay. So we going to continue the previous lesson, okay. 1.2e part 2. So we have finished multiplication, division, power, zero index, negative index, and the previous lesson, last Monday, we have done fractional index, but only the first part, right? Okay, so today we are going to finish the part 2 and part 3, okay? Okay, so today you're going to find out the relationship between all this, okay? You have learned that a to the power of mn equals to a power m bracket power n. And also, a with the root of n equals to a to the power of 1 over n, right? So from the two laws of indices above, we can convert a to the power of m over n into all this, okay? It's already stated in the table, so we are going to look at it one by one, okay? So calculate the value of each of the following, complete the table as shown in the in example A, okay? So look at example A, okay? So the number here is 64 to the power of 2 over 3, okay, in the form of a to the power of m over n. So we convert this pattern, this number, into a power m bracket to the power of 1 over n. So it will become 64 power 2, okay, because 2 here power 2, and then bracket 1 over 3. 1 over 3 because here is over 3. Okay, get it? And then you press calculator. 64 square is 4096. Okay, and 4096 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, I have taught you in the previous lesson how to use the calculator. You can straight away from here, this part 4096 to the power of 1 over 3, you straight away you get 16. Okay, and then you convert in this form, a to the power of 1 over n bracket m. Okay, so you just change 64, the base is still the same, over 1 over 3. So here, over 3 here, and then bracket power 2. Okay, you get power 2 from here, 2 here. Alright, so 64 to the power of 1 over 3, you can use calculator. Straight away, you use calculator, you get 4. Okay, you will get 4. And then power with 2, you get 16. So the answer is the same. Okay, you try the third method. Okay, the third method is you power it first. Okay, you press power first, a power m, then only you root of n. Okay, then only you press the root of n. Okay, so from here you change, you convert 64 power 2, then only you do the cube root. Okay, so 64 power 2, answer is 4096, and then you find the cube root, answer is 16, still the same. Okay, the fourth type is you find the root first. Okay, a with the root of n, and then the power with m. Okay, so according to the question, you find the cube root of 64. Okay, and then you power with 2. So cube root of 64 is 4, and then power 2 is 16. Okay, so all the types will produce the same answer. Okay, so it's up to you to choose which pattern you want. Okay, alright, so let's do B. Okay, I change to pen first. Okay, let's do B. Okay, alright, in this form, okay, we do in this form first. Okay, a power m, so here 16 to the power of 3. Okay, according to the question, and bracket 1 over n means 1 over 4, so 1 over 4 here. Okay, let's do a B. Okay, C you can try on your own. Okay, we don't have enough space here. Okay, so 16 power 3, so you use calculator. 16 power 3 is 4096. Okay, and this power 1 over 4. Okay, use calculator. I have taught you, Cikgu dah ajar in the previous lesson, okay, how to find the power 1 over 4 fractional indices. Okay, so the answer is 8. Alright, the answer is 8. Okay, let's do the second pattern. Okay, we check whether it's the same or not. Okay, okay, for the second pattern, 16 to the power of 1 over n means 1 over 4. Okay, and then bracket power m. So here means power 3. Okay, so 16 to the power of 1 over 4. Okay, you use calculator, you will get 2. Okay, and then power with 3. 2 power 3, press calculator, you will get 8. Okay, still the same. Okay, so the third pattern, where you power the number first, 16 power 3, then only you find the root 4. Okay, root 4. Okay, so 16 power 3 is 4096. Okay, power 4, the root of 4, you wait. Okay, you do later. So the answer here is 4096. Okay, and then you just use calculator. Okay, I have to teach you how to use calculator, right? You press 4 and then you press shift and then you press the symbol power and then you put 4096. Okay, you just look at the previous video. Okay, how to calculate using calculator. Okay, so the answer is 8. Okay, you will get 8. Okay, so this is the third one. The fourth pattern. Okay, the fourth pattern, you must find the root first. Okay, so here 16. Okay, you find the root of 4. Okay, tengok yang bawah, root of 4 first, then only you power it with 3. Okay, so here you use calculator. Okay, you use calculator, you will get the answer is 2. Okay, and then power with 3. So 2 power 3 is 8. So here you can get the same answer using any of this. Alright. Okay, so are your answers in B and C the same when you use different index forms? Discuss. Okay, actually we have done it. Okay, for B, and it's proven that all 4 types answer will be the same, right? So from the activity, it is found that a to the power of m over n is equal to this one and this one, and also equals to this one and this one. Okay, these are the types in the timetable just now. Okay, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay. Alright, so up to you to choose which pattern that you prefer, you like. Okay. Okay, let's do example 1. Number 1, convert each of the following into the form. Okay, a power m bracket power 1 over n, and a to the power of 1 over n power m. Alright, so we do a 81 power 3 over 2. So we convert to the first pattern. Okay, so the first pattern we do power first. So 81 power 3. Okay, and then bracket to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, over 2 here. Right, so the second one, okay, convert to the second pattern. Okay, we do root first, fractional indices first. So the fractional indices is 81 over 81 to the power of 1 over 2, and then power with 3. Okay, right. B you do on your own. You can refer textbook. And we do C. Okay, here we do see this first pattern. Okay, power, so h to the power of 3. Okay, and then bracket 1 over 5. Okay, so second pattern, we do the fractional indices first. So fractional, the root lah, meaning the root, h to the power of 1 over 5, and then power with 3. Okay. Okay, number 2, convert each of the following into the form form here, and this form and this form, right? Quite long to say. Okay, A. So convert to the first pattern. Okay, first pattern here. Power first, A power m, right? So we take the base 3 for 3 power 2, and then we do the root of 3. Root of 3 here. Okay, so the second pattern. Okay. Okay, actually this is the first, second, third and fourth pattern lah, right? We have 4 actually. So here we do the root first. Okay, the root first, so 3 for 3. Okay, the root of 3, and then only you power 2. Okay, with 2. Okay, B you do on your own. You can refer textbook. C, okay, C you convert to this form. You take the power, so m power 2, and then the root of 5. Alright, so the second one, we do the root. Okay, the root first, so m with the root of 5, and then power with 2. Alright, okay, you understand this? Okay, so please do mind test 1.2H in your Maths 1. Okay, you just complete this timetable. Okay, make sure you write bigger and big. You write big and clear. Okay, so I will show you the first one I show you. Okay, you just convert to this pattern. Okay, for example, the first one is 7 to 9 to the power of 5 over 9. So you convert to this form a power m, meaning power first. So 7 to 9 power dulu. Power is 5, yang atas the above number is power. Alright, or power, another power is 1 over 6. Okay, the fractional indices. Okay, the second pattern, you do the fractional indices first. Okay, meaning the root. Okay, the root. So 7 to 9, the fractional indices, you take the below number 1 over 6 and then power with 5. Okay, power with 5. Okay, the third pattern, you take 7 to 9 power 5. Okay, then only you do the root of 6. Okay, the 6 is small. And then the last one is the root of root, right? So the root here is 6. Then only you power with 5. Okay, hope you understand. So you complete the rest. Okay, in your Maths 1. Okay, let's do example 2. Calculate the value of each of the following. Okay, 9 to the power of 5 over 2. So the first method, you find the root first. Okay, you find the root first like this. 9 the base, so the root is 2. Square root of 2, then only you power with 5. Okay, so the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 power 5 is 243. Okay, 243. Alright, so the second method is you find the power first. See, you look at this, 9 power 5, the answer is 59049, then only you find the square root. Okay, you still get the same answer, but I don't recommend you this. Okay, I don't recommend you this because it's you'll be dealing with larger number. Okay, better you find the root first. Okay, for B, 16, 5 over 4, so you find the root first, so 16, find the root of 4, okay, and then power 5, okay. So the 16 with the root of 4, answer is 2, and then 2 power 5, answer is 32, so same, 32, alright. Actually, the method tu I don't recommend you, okay. Just do the the easiest one. Alright, actually you can straight away use calculator. Like for A, you can straight away press 9, okay, 9 and then power and then 5 over 2. Okay, you will get answer 243 straight away. Okay, what about B? So B, you just press 16 and then you press symbol power and then 5 over 4. Okay, so you will straight away get answer 32. Okay, so depends. Okay, depends if the exam leave you a space for you to do the working, you do the working like this. Okay, if objective question, you straight away use calculator. Okay, so here another exercise for you, mind test 1.2i. Okay, number 1, calculate the value of each of the following. Okay, this one you straight away use calculator. Okay, so you do all because you just use calculator, right? So you do all for number 1. Number 2 also. Okay, number 2 you have to think. Okay, you have to think and find the answer. Right, complete the following diagrams with the correct values. Okay, for example, all here the answer is 81. Okay, so you must find what number to fit in the box. For example, 9 to the power of what become 81. So 9 to the power of 2 becomes 81. 9 times 9 is 81, right? So like that. Like 5 to the power of what becomes 1 to 5. And this one you have to think. Okay, so I think it's fun for you to think. Okay, the answer. Alright. Okay, we have finished our lesson today. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, okay, feel free to WhatsApp me to ask me. Okay, so I will reply to you according to my time. Okay, so it's okay. Try to do your exercise. Okay, alright. See you next time. Take care.